Good afternoon, students. Welcome to our Vidyabhushan English Primary School, the Hisaris Online Studies Standard 3. Myself, Mrs. Ankita Kathore. Today, our subject is English, and we are going to learn our next lesson, a team of workers. Now, here, student, in this lesson, all body parts stand together holding hands. Now, here, all the body parts are standing and they are holding their hands together, mouth, hands, feet, eyes, ears, nose, belly and brain. They are communicating each other and they are discussing about the work they are doing in a whole day. They are discussing about their work. Now all parts said, work, work, work. In the morning, in the evening, we are always at work. During the day and even at night, we are always at work. Mouth said, hands, come forward and tell us what you do. Hands said, we lift, we hold, we carry. We give and we take. We pull, we push, we put. 100 things we make. We two are a clever pair. There's nothing that we can't do. Mouth said, feet, come forward and tell us what you do. Then feet said, we walk, we run, we tap, we dance. We skip and jump and hope. We step forward, we turn about. And just in time, we stop. Mouth said, eyes, ears, nose. What about you? Then eyes said, we open, we close, we read, we blink. We see things far and near. Ears said, and be it loud, be it soft, every sound we hear. And nose said, I breathe day and night. I can never rest. I have to smell every smell, good or bad or best. And what about you, mouth? Then mouth said, oh, you know, I open and shut and smile. I speak, I eat, I drink. I sip, I slur, I chew and bite. But do I get any of the food? No, it all goes to this lazy belly. Is it right? The belly doesn't do any work. All said, that's right. The belly doesn't do any work. Then belly said, that's not right. That's wrong. I do a lot of work, but it goes on inside me. You can't see it, but I do work. I said, why can't we see it? It's because you don't do any work. Hand said, the only work you do is to grab all good food. Feet said, you don't move a step. Why should we work to give you food? All said, we won't work for you. You won't get any food now. Belly said, don't do that. I work for all of us. We will all suffer if you don't give me food. All said, don't try to deceive. Nothing you will receive. 3 hours later, Belly said, please get some food. I am all ready to start my work. Others said, no means no. We are all going to relax, just like you. Belly said, please listen to me. You must give me food. I digest it for all of us. Others said, sorry, don't try to deceive. Nothing you will receive. Now, 2 days later, Belly said, how are you all, my friends? Mouth said, oh, I feel so dry. Hands and feet said, we feel so weak. Eyes said, we can't see properly. Ears and nose said, we feel so tired. Then all said, what's the matter? What's wrong with all of us? Then Brain enters, and Brain said, you silly fellows, now you have no energy. What gives you energy? Food. Who works on food to give you energy? Think. All said, could it be? Is it the belly? Brain said, yes, of course. Belly digests food and sends energy to all of you. Do you understand it now? All said, yes, yes. Now we know. This belly does a lot of work, though he does not show it off. He does important work. Then all hold hands and sing together. Work, work, work. In the morning, in the evening, we are always at work. Thank you.